What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Baidu with the ticker symbol BIDU. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Baidu, and it's starting to look bullish. It looks like the trend is reversing, and I'll go over the reasons why. So there was previously this uptrend in play, and then prices broke outside of the uptrend, which shows signs of weakness. Prices try to break out past the 160 level, found resistance because it was a very strong resistance in the past. Right around this 155, 160 level is a very strong resistance, and right around this level right here is a very strong support right now at this 126. There's stronger support below too, but this 126 is also a very strong support. So basically prices for the most part since March of last year stays within the 126 level and the 155 level. You can clearly see that most of the price action is within these two levels right over here. There are breakouts on the bottom, but most of the trading is done within these within this 30-point range between the 126 and 156 level. So basically prices, try to surpass the previous high of the uptrend, failed, led to a huge rally down, and then prices broke outside of this channel, which shows signs of weakness, made a new low, stopped out all the buyers who bought at the bottom of this downtrend, and then started reversing up. So this looks pretty good. Looks like we had a failed breakout of the 126 level because this was support right over here, support right over here. Prices broke out, now we're coming back in. So it looks like it's failing, and we could probably do a symmetrical trade up. Basically, if we went down really quick, we can also go up really quick. So we'll see if that occurs. So right now, it's looking pretty bullish for Baidu. We're kind of trading with the prevailing trend now, which is up. We had this downtrend previously in play, broke out, failed. Now we're kind of reversing. We have a lot of stops to run because this move right here was not sustainable, and we could be targeting that 155, 156 level. So we'll see if that occurs. Right now it's looking pretty bullish for Baidu. If we do another measure move up, where can we possibly go? Let me go and adjust this channel so it fits better, so you can see how well this channel is fitting against the price action. So if we do another leg up, like from the past, if I move it over here, that will take Baidu to the 200s. So we'll see if that occurs. It first needs to break out past that 156 level, which has been a very strong resistance for a couple of years now. So we'll see if Baidu can first get up higher to the 150s, and then we'll see if it can break out. But as right now, basically what it's looking like it wants to do is a symmetrical trade, a symmetry trade, very similar to what happened right here. You can see how prices dumped, and then once it stopped dumping, it immediately reversed. So I'm saying we could probably get the same thing over here. That's what it's looking like it can set up to do. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Nothing is guaranteed, but that's what it looks like prices are attempting to do. So here's the weekly chart for Baidu, and if I zoom out, you can see that prices stopped in the downtrend in October last year at the 76 level. So if I mark that with a horizontal line, you can see that in 2013 that was the prior low that led to the bull market right over here. Prices came back in 2020, that led to a massive bull market, and then just in 2022 prices came back, and that could lead to another bull market. So 2 times in the past prices stopped at this level, led to a bull market. We just came back last year in October, so we could be expecting a bull market off of these levels right here, off of this level right here. This could be the all-time low for the downtrend, so we could see a reversal. Looks like inverse head and shoulders. I don't really trade patterns like that, or even look at the patterns like that, but I mean it is looking like it's setting up to do it inverse head and shoulders. Either way, it looks like the trend is reversing. You can see that prices were previously being rejected by the EMA. It dumped hard, now it shot through the EMA, it came back, now it looks like it's trying to go back up. So it looks like prices reversing, looks like the trend is reversing, so we could see higher prices. But as right now, we'll take it day by day. It looks like Baidu could continue to push up higher, and if we see a lot of momentum, if we see that 156, 155 level broken strongly, then I think we might be off to the races. But as right now, that's all I have for Baidu this week, Tuesday, and I'll give you an update next week, Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.